This is T-cher Tin, your Cookery 10 home economics teacher. So today, this is our fourth video lesson, and we will be talking about the uses of eggs in culinary arts. So without further ado, let's start. In this video lesson, you are expected to: number 1, cite the different uses of eggs in culinary arts. Number 2, describe the functions of each uses. Number 3, stress the importance of eggs in preparing egg dishes. So here are some words to remember. Word number 1, emulsification. Ano nga ba yung emulsification? It is mixing two or more liquids that does not usually mix, such as oil and water, by adding an additive such as hollandaise sauce. So yung mga hindi talaga nagsasama-sama is pagsasama-sama just by adding an additive. That is emulsification. Word number 2 is aeration. It is mixing and blending eggs with incorporating air to form a foam. Okay, or nambula. It is seen on cake, icing, and meringue. Okay, yung meringue, it is spelled as merengue or meringue, but they pronounce it as meringue. Okay, yung meringue, it is also a French delicacy made of egg whites, sugar, and sometimes it is added with lime, calamansi juice, or lemon juice. Okay, word number 3, binding. What does binding mean? Okay, egg as an additive. The coagulation of eggs help bind ingredients together as it cooks. Mostly seen on beef patties, cakes, and pastries. So, yung eggs daw as binding, siya yung nagsasama-sama ng pagkain para hindi ito maghiwa-hiwalay. Okay, so without further ado, let us start our lesson. Okay, the use of egg in culinary. The first one is egg as a binder. So just like the word in our vocabulary, binding. Okay, number 1, egg as a binder. I hope you are familiar with the food. Yan. It is crinkles, or known to you as chocoditos, but it is crinkles. Ginagamitan niya ng egg. Another one is this, daralya ng bangus. Okay, eggs protein property hold ingredients together as it cooks. Kaya ng meatloaf, patties, baked goods relies on the stability of the egg. So, para hindi maghiwa-hiwalay o para mabuo, yung mga pagkain ngayon kailangan ng itlog. For example, sabi dito, patties. Ito yung tinatawag na patties or yung palaman ng hamburger. Ginagamitan yan ng egg para mabuo, mabilog yung pinakapalaman, yung karnet, hindi maghiwa-hiwalay. Katulad din ng sa paglalagay ng palaman ng siomai o kaya ng lumpiang Shanghai. Yon, doon ginagamit ang egg as bite. Next. Okay. Number 2 use is egg as coating. It is when egg is mixed with milk, to make an egg wash. It gives off a bronze and glossy sheen when baked. Okay, so this is used in baked goods. So as you can see, I have here 4 pictures of different pastries. Number 1 is the croissant. This is it. It is actually this, but it is pronounced as croissant. Kung babasahin natin siya in our language, it is croissant, but it is croissant. So yung egg as coating, ipinapahid sa ibabaw ng pastry, yung egg wash. Again, yung egg wash, it is egg with milk para maging makintabing labas. Another na pinaglalagyan ng egg wash is the empanada and also the mooncake or the hopia, like this. So, yung egg wash, habang hilaw pa yung pastry, just like this, pinapahid yung egg wash sa ibabaw para kapag naluto na siya is medyo malutong at makintab yung labas. Next, number 3, egg as enricher. Kapag sinabing enricher, hindi lang to dagdag ng sahog, but enricher siya sa nutrition. As you can see here in the pictures, dito sa ampalahon karne, may itlog para din makabawas ng pait. And sa sotanghon, hindi lang karne ng baboy ang sahog or manok, may itlog din. And syempre sa chop suey. Cooking with eggs will give additional nutritional value to dishes. So, hindi lang siya pampadagdag ng sahog, but also dagdag ng nutritional value. Most Filipino dishes as eggs, quail, duck, and hen's eggs are most common. Okay, number 4. Egg as emulsifier. Ito na yung kanina sa word natin, words to remember. Egg as emulsifier. Okay. Another property of egg is the ability to hold on to water and oil, which usually does not mix. So, sabi nga, ito yung kaya ng itlog na pagsamahin yung mga ingredients na usually hindi nagsasama-sama, katulad ng oil at saka ng water, or sa pagkain naman ng oil at saka ng mga ibang ingredients such as vinegar or lemon juice. This one, itong nasa ilalim, this is the hollandaise sauce. Ang hollandaise sauce is a French sauce that is usually made of egg yolk, lime, pepper, and butter. So, yung butter tsaka yung lime, hindi siya nagsasama-sama, but kapag hinaluan ng egg yolk is magsasama-sama na siya, and it will result to hollandaise sauce. Also, another one is we are all familiar with this, is what we call the mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise, it is also made of egg yolk and calamansi juice and sometimes olive oil. That is emulsifier. Number 5, egg as garnish. Okay, when we say garnish, palamuti, but adding eggs to dishes does not only give color, hindi lang color and appeal, but also as additional source of protein. So, as you can see here, this is usually encountered in Korean fast foods, even in bonchon. Kapag in-upgrade nyo yung inyong kanin to fried rice, nilalagyan sa bonchon ng itlog, maganda na siyang tignan, sustansya pa. Okay, that is egg as garnish. Next one is egg as thickener or thickening agent. Adding beaten eggs to soups and stirring it will activate the coagulative property of egg to achieve thick consistency. So, nilalagyan ng beaten eggs yung mga soup para lumapot. Dito naman sa desserts, ginagamit siya sa flan, sa mga custard, at saka sa mga chocolate pudding. Lumapot yung mga yan dahil sa itlog. So, coagulative property ng egg. Coagulative means pamumuo. Okay? Next one is egg as a leavening agent, or when we say leavening, it is pampaalsa. Okay. There are different types of bread. If you can recall in your grade 9 lesson, there are leavened bread and unleavened bread. When we say unleavened bread, ito yung hindi umalsa na tinapay. For example, ito is the matza. Okay, kapag sinabing unleavened, ito yung matza. Ayan, ganito ang spell niya, matza. Ito yung tinapay na binaon ng mga Israelita nung tumakas sila mula Egypt papuntang Promised Land. Ito rin yung unleavened bread yan. Unleavened bread din yung ginamit ni Jesus Christ sa Last Supper. Okay? Stop. 1. Unleavened bread din, yung ginamit nila Jesus sa Last Supper, yung hati-hati niya at ipinakain sa kanyang disciples. In baking cakes and breads, incorporating air during whipping traps air bubbles, which makes the foam double in size. When it is heated, the protein solidifies and holds its shape. So, kapag ginagamit yung itlog sa mga baked goods, nagkakaroon ng air. Yung tinatawag na aeration. At pumapasok yun, ng bubbles na nagiging foam. At kapag uminit na yun, hindi na umiimpis. So, kaya umaangat yung pagkain. Like this pastries. Okay. And then, here are other uses of eggs. Egg as facial cleanser, as homemade glue, hair conditioner, leather cleanser, water for plants, hangover cure, first aid and moisturizer. Okay, you can screenshot this and then let's move on. And here is how you handle eggs. Okay, you should store your eggs at 45 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Store it in closed container. Store away from strong odors. Leftover eggs should be refrigerated and do not allow drippings to contaminate eggs. So, kung nakita na may mga tulo-tulo ang eggshell, dapat linisin na ito. And how do you prepare cooking? You should keep refrigerated before and after cooking. Keep everything clean. Use only clean, not cracked eggs. We should not use cracked eggs kasi baka may makontaminate na. It should be cooked thoroughly. Wash container used for egg thoroughly. And use egg separator. How do we transport naman daw ang eggs? How do we transport eggs? Number 1, serve promptly after cooking. 2, keep cold and hot food hot. And then you can use ice or cold packs when transporting. Avoid eating raw eggs or food that contains raw eggs kasi hindi natin alam baka contaminated. It can cause problems in our body. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!